Hey there, I'm Ethan, CNC machine operator working right on the front line of manufacturing. Some people work in the cloud. Me? I work in the chips. But until recently, the digital side of my job wasn't nearly as smooth as the machine behind me. Let me show you how things used to be before ENCY Clouds came along. Whenever I ran into a problem with a toolpath or post-processor, I'd call Daniel, our CAM programmer. We used to pass data through every possible channel: emails, messengers, shared folders. And whenever the issue turned out to be machine-related, I'd loop in Jonathan from the machine tool supplier's support team. Great guy, but every time we started a new thread, it felt like pressing reset on the whole conversation. Collaboration wasn't exactly cutting edge. Then we switched to ENCY, and everything changed. Especially with ENCY Clouds, our new seamless way to collaborate without chaos. Let me show you how it works. Now, when I notice something odd in my project, I just open the project tab, hit share, and ENCY automatically uploads the file to the cloud. It instantly creates a secure link. I send it to Daniel, and he's right there in my project. The pigeon's out of business. The Cloud Angel took over. Inside ENCY Clouds, we chat right within the ENCY interface. No emails, no hunting for lost files. I can describe my issue, attach a tool photo, grab a screenshot in one click, record a quick screencast, or even start a video call. Daniel makes his adjustments, saves the file, and within seconds I've got the updated version ready to test on the machine. Fast, simple, feels like magic. And if the problem goes beyond software, no worries. I can easily invite Jonathan from our machine supplier support team. I share a temporary link, and he can jump into the project right from his browser. No installation, no setup, just click, connect, and collaborate. In minutes, we're all on the same page: operator, programmer, and supplier expert, working together through ENCY Clouds. And when I'm on the shop floor, I can keep the conversation going with the mobile app. Take a photo, send it right in the chat, and continue where we left off. No need to rush back to the office. The Cloud Angel follows me wherever I go. With ENCY Clouds, the software we use, ENCY, ENCY Robot, and ENCY Tuner, are now part of one connected ecosystem called ENCY X. ENCY Clouds didn't just make my work easier. It made our entire team smarter, faster, and more connected. So if you're still stuck in email chains and pigeon speed workflows, set your pigeons free and let the Cloud Angel take over. Every minute counts on the shop floor, and with the right tools, every minute works for you.